Hello students, good morning. Today our session is problem sums using cross multiplication method. In previous lecture I taught you how to solve x and y using cross multiplication method. Now in this session see exercise 3.5 question number 1 of 4. I read the question. A part of monthly charges is fixed and remaining depend on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student capital A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000 as hostel charges, whereas a student capital B who takes food for 26 days pay rupees 1180 as hostel charges and cost of food per day. Now students, see, there are two charges is there. One charge is fixed charge. So first of all we have to suppose that for fixed charge rupees x. Understand? So how to solve this question? See here. First of all, let fixed charges be rupees x and other charges. What is the second charge? Charge for food per day is rupees y. Now see the condition number 1. I written in this page. If condition number 1 is if a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000 as hostel charges. Now see here, a student A takes food for 20 days. See here, fixed charge is x, so put here x plus 20 days. Other charge is charge for food per day, so here 20 days. Food for 20 days, that is 20y, is equals to total charges is rupees 1000. So put here hostel charges is so total charges. So equation number 1 will be x plus 20y is equals to 1000. Now students, second condition. See the second condition. What is second condition? Written in this page. If a student B takes a food for 26 days, a student means that total जो fixed charge is x plus other charge for food, that is 26. We suppose that is at y, so x plus 26y is equals to 1180 gives equation number 2. Now in problem sums, if you are able to make equation, then you have to, after then you have only and only solve the questions. If you are able to make equation, then after then it is very easy to solve the sums. See here, in previous lecture I taught you how to solve the cross multiplication method. See, equation number 1 is x plus 20y minus 1000 is equals to 0. Equation number 2 is x plus 26y minus 1180 is equals to 0. Now students, see here, put here variable x, variable y, and last one is constant, because this is a linear equation. That's why there is two variables, that is x and y. Last one is constant term, so put it constant term. Now in previous lecture, this is coefficient of y put at as it is, that is 20, and 26 put as it is, and after then put constant terms coefficient, that is negative 1000 and negative 1180. So put here negative 1000, negative 1180, and last one will be coefficient of x, that is we put 1, 1, and last one will be repeating as coefficient of y, that is 20 and 26. Understand? Now we use cross multiplication method. Now students, I told you already that put the sign between this x, y and 1 will be is equals to, so put here is equals to, and also put is equals to. Understand? Now how to solve the cross multiplication means that here this is main diagonal, that is 20 into minus 1180. Put here 20 into minus 1180, and sign of this in front of this auxiliary diagonal will be negative, so put here negative. Now turn of this, that is 26, put here 26 into 1000, that is 26 into minus 1000. Understand? Is equals to in below y, that is y upon, see here, to solve y terms, that is now turn of this, cross multiply minus 1000 with 1, minus 1180 into 1, so put here minus 1000, minus 1000 into 1, so put here minus 1000 into 1, minus 1 into this, means that 1 into minus 1180 is equals to, last one will be this and this, so multiply, cross multiplication of 26 with 1. So answer will be 26 into 1 minus 1 into 20. So put here 20 into 1. Understand? Now solve it out. 118 into 2 is minus 236 and put 00 as it is. See here negative, negative. So we can put here positive. See here 26 into 1000 means that 26,000 is equals to minus 1000 into 1 is minus 1000. See here negative, negative become positive. So minus 1000 plus 1180 is equals to 26 into 1, 26 minus 20. So we can put 26 minus 20 is equals to 6. So put it here 6. Understand? Now minus 23,600 plus 2600 means answer will be 2400 because sign is positive, because sign is positive, so put here positive, is equals to 1180 minus 1000 is 180 is equals to 1 upon 6. Now students, see here x upon 2400 is equals to y upon 180 is equals to 1 upon 6. So how to solve the method? In previous lecture I taught you that one term will be one variable, that is x, and another term will be constant, that is put here x upon 2400 is equals to 1 upon 6. So cross multiply this, x into 6 is 6x is equals to 2400, that is x is equals to 2400 upon 6 is equals to 400. Now turn off one variable with one constant, that is y upon 180 is equals to 1 upon 6. Cross multiplication of 6 into y is 6y is equals to 180 into 1 is 180. So y is equals to 180 upon 6 is equals to 30. Understand? So we get x is equals to 400 and y is equals to 30. See how to solve the sums. Understand students? Thank you.